Exterior angle inequality theorem. Okay, so exterior angle, by the way, so given a triangle has three interior angle. Okay, so for example, I have here triangle A, B, C. So when we say interior angle, it is an angle that found inside the triangle. So given this triangle, so how many interior angles do we have? So 3. So let us name the three interior angle as angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3. That is the interior angle of triangle ABC. We have angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3. Again, when we say interior angle, an angle that found inside the triangle. Okay, and then, if we have interior angle, we have also exterior angle. Okay, kailan po tayo anak nagkakaroon ng exterior angle? Kapag in-extend po natin anak yung side ng triangle. For example, if I will extend this side, and this is also the extension of this side. So, therefore, meron na po tayo ditong tinatawag na exterior angle. Ito yung angle na matatagpuan sa labas ng triangle. So, when we say exterior angle of a triangle is an angle which forms a linear pair. Now, ma'am, what is a linear pair? Linear pair have a common side and adjacent siya. So, what is adjacent? May common vertex dapat. Or just simply, pag sinabi anak natin linear pair, may common vertex at the same time may common side. Okay, and ang technique natin sa linear pair, katabi ng interior angle. For example, I have here angle 4, angle 5, and angle 6. Given angle 3. Angle 3 is found inside the triangle. Therefore, angle 3 is interior angle. So, to find the exterior angle of angle 3, identify mo anak, ano yung angle na katabi ni angle 3 na may common vertex at may common side. So, identify natin. What is angle? Beside angle 3. Angle 4. Check natin anak kung si angle 3 at si angle 4 ay may common vertex. So, this is the side of angle 3. This is the vertex. And this is the side of angle 4. And this is the vertex. May common vertex ba? Yes, we have. And we have also common side. So, therefore, we can say that angle 4 is an example of exterior angle. Kasi katabi ni angle 4 si angle 3, which is adjacent sila sa isa't isa. May common vertex at the same time may common side. Okay, let us try an example. So, given this figure, identify the interior angle. Anyone? How many interior angles do we have? 3. What are those? Pabelyor. Okay, very good. So, the interior angles are angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3. Let us focus on the angle 1. Okay, this is the angle 1. What is the exterior angle of angle 1? Ano yung angle anak nakatabi na may common vertex, may common side, or just simply adjacent to the interior angle? Yes, Reblora?
Angle 4.
Okay, very good. We have angle 4 and angle 5. That is the exterior angle of angle 1. Next, what is the exterior angle of angle 2? Di Mayuga? Okay, we have angle 6 and angle 7. And what is the exterior angle of angle 3? Mabasa. Okay, we have angle 8 and angle 9. So, do you understand the meaning of exterior angle? Okay, eyes here, class. So, since meron tayo anak, for example, the exterior angle of angle 3 or angle 4 and angle 6. Now, ma'am, si angle 5 ay nasa labas din. Okay, matatawag din po ba si angle 5 na exterior angle? Okay, the answer is no. Why? Kasi may common vertex si angle 3 at si angle 5, pero wala po silang common side. Anong tawag natin? What do you think is the relationship of angle 3 and angle 5? Very good. They are vertical angle. Hindi lahat po ng angle na nasa labas ay exterior angle. Some angles are vertical. Kasi may common vertex sila, pero wala silang common side. And again, class, what is the measure of vertical angle? They are equal, meaning vertical angles are always congruent. So, kung ano yung sukat ni angle 3, ganun din po yung sukat ni angle 5. Do you understand? Okay. So, the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the measure of two remote interior angle. Now, ma'am, what is the meaning of remote interior angle? So, when we say remote interior angles, are two interior angles not adjacent to the exterior angle. Let us analyze. When we say remote interior angle, okay, ito daw yung dalawang angle na nasa loob ng triangle. At the same time, not adjacent. Ano kaya yung meaning nun? Hindi katabi. Walang common side, walang common vertex. O, let us analyze the given. Okay, the three interior angles are angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3. So, pag sinabi anak natin na remote interior, to identify the remote interior, ang given dyan anak ay exterior. The remote interior of angle 5 is angle 2 and angle 3. Bakit? Ano nga po ulit yung remote interior? Are two interior angles not adjacent to the exterior angle. Sa Tagalog, dalawang interior angle na hindi katabi. Walang common side, walang common vertex. Kanino? Kay exterior. O, ang given natin ay angle 5. So, ano yung angle na katabi ni angle 5 pero nasa loob? Angle 1. Ang tawag kay 1 at 5 ay exterior angle or adjacent angle kasi magkatabi sila. Ang tanong anak, yung kabaliktaran, ano yung angles na nasa loob pero hindi katabi ni angle 5? Angle 2 and angle 3. Do you understand? O, another example. What is the remote interior of angle 9? Angle 1 and angle 2. Anong tawag kay angle 9 at angle 3? Adjacent. So, si 2 at si 1 ay not adjacent. So, ito yung remote interior. Another, what is the remote interior of angle 7? Angle 1 and angle 3. So, do you understand the meaning of remote interior? Okay. Oh, by the way, class, balikan natin yung meaning ng remote interior. Okay, the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal. So, ang measure daw, anak, ng exterior angle ay equal daw sa sum ng measure ng two remote interior angle. So, meaning, anak, to find the measure of the exterior angle, for example, ito si angle 5, para makuha, anak, yung measurement niya, ipa-plus mo daw po si angle 2 at si angle 3. Kasi sum daw siya ng remote interior angle. Do you understand?